Hi, Tony here from PPA, Keeping It Real, Property Professionals Australia. I want to thank you firstly for registering for our previous information night on builders' secrets and why so many Australians get it wrong when investing and building for success. We had a great night, a lot of people there, we answered a lot of questions for a lot of people. We covered the 10 builders' secrets, we covered a lot of major mistakes that unfortunately too many Australians make when investing, and it was really well received. But what I want to focus on today for you is just look at one of those key areas, probably the most important, where people go wrong and people get it so wrong, and that's timing. How do we know when to invest in property or when to build in any area in Australia? How do we know it's the right time to maximise our capital growth, maximise our cash flow and maximise our returns? Well, I'm going to show you, right? We'll start with a typical timing cycle and what that looks like. Typical timing cycle looks something like this. It goes up, it comes across, corrects, and then flattens out before it goes again. Now, where do most Australians buy? Well, unfortunately, they buy or build at the top of the cycle, about here somewhere, about 11 o'clock on the property clock. So about here, when they should be buying towards the bottom at 6 or 7, at the bottom, not the peak. Okay? Why do they buy there? Social proof. Everyone's got a good story to tell, whether it's the internet, you know, with marketing, advertising, whether it's magazines, whether it's webinars, whether it's the media, whether it's people at work, friends and family. People know someone that have made capital growth because it's had all this uplift. It's probably had 3 years of uplift. So by the time you get your social proof and too many Australians follow the leader, it's too late. Because if I draw a line through there, it's gone up for about 1 year and then it's corrected down anywhere between 50 to 200,000, depends where it is and what price point and how badly it corrects, but you start to lose money. So it goes up to come down, then it flattens out, and this period could be anywhere between 5 to 7 years before you get any correction and capital growth again, and which drives cash returns through rent as well. So we want to be down here. We want to get in when we know it's turned the corner and it's started to go up in value. Demand's increasing, supply is at a shortage. Now, how do we know this is the right area to invest? Well, we know through increased population growth increasing, putting stress on the housing demand and supply, and infrastructure spending, and I'm talking infrastructure in the billions, guys, in the billions, right? Not the millions, the billions. We know that creates a lot of jobs, which then creates a higher need for housing, right? So demand goes through the roof, shortage of supply, increased in prices, and we know that happens because we look at the stats, the research, the data, through a lot of economist sites, analysts, ABS, through town planning, council, what's actually happened on the ground, even with government. We look at those economic drivers closely to know it's definitely turned the corner and there's an upswing, and those infrastructure jobs in the billions last for quite a few years and create thousands of jobs. So then we would be looking at the micro to an area to know exactly the demographic area to invest. That is crucial and one of the main secrets you must get right. Thanks for listening. Today I've got a special opportunity for you. Everyone that come to the seminar, the information night, was offered a complimentary discovery session. We only run these for a couple of weeks after any information night because we are very busy. We have a lot of demands on our time, but for the next few weeks we are offering these complimentary discovery sessions to see how we can help you answer any questions you have with whatever you want to do, whether it's investing, building, whatever you're doing in your future to change your financial situation. We want to help you correctly and show you and teach you the builder's secrets. So please, if you're interested, take advantage of that. Because you're registered, you get the opportunity over the next few weeks. Either answer the email you've been provided or give us a call on the phone, and we're only too happy to help you. Thanks for listening. Tony from PPA. Until next time.